that basil that I harvested earlier, and now I really want to get to these cattle panels before the end of the day. Really quick that I understand that planting these things inside of pots is not ideal long term because they are vines and they are going to be trellising. I don't want to come into the situation where they outgrow the pot and therefore the fruit can no longer grow. And so I'm going to do pots right now, but eventually I'm going to keep it in a disposable kind of pot like that, and then eventually I'm going to just cut the pot away whenever I'm ready to make a trench and fill it with soil so that it has a lot of space to grow down and it can be a permanent plant vines over here as well as the berries. I want it to be permanent but for right now I'm going to do it in a way where I'm thinking about the future, do it in a way where I can cut that pot away and be able to allow those roots to go down into the actual ground. But for right now, container vines they are. So I just realized that I'm all out of perlite to make my own potting mix, and I do want to make sure that the potting mix is a good potting mix before I plant these vines in there. And so I'm going to have to go pick up some potting mix for that. But before I go, I definitely want to embellish the top of my arch trellis. I found this really cute vine. Let me show you. I found this at the thrift store. So one thing that you would learn about me is that I am a thrift store queen. Like, I love thrifting. I love taking things that are seemingly unuseful, not to say that this is, because it's already very beautiful, but I love taking one thing and turn it into another thing. And so I saw this and I was just like, wow, this is just so cute. And I really wanted to incorporate this into my arch trellis, the entryway, just because I think it's beautiful. And so I'm going to add some embellishments with this. So one of my favorite things to do is to make things pretty. Yes, I can wait for months and my vines are going to be lush and they're going to be growing and they're going to fill up my arch trellis. But I could also create something and make something beautiful that I love as soon as I walk out here. This brings me joy. And so I am so happy, like I said, every other time that you are here, and I will talk to you guys later.